Hi, my Joshy, and we're making birthday cake. Hi, my Joshy, and we're making birthday cake.
First, we're gonna put in the cake mix, right?
I do it. Okay?
Get it, baby. Good job, smart boy. Ooh,
Now the eggs.
Now the eggs.
I do it.
All right. Woo!
I did it.
You did it, honey.
I did it.
Good job, baby.
Here you go.
Thanks. Give it to me, baby.
Okay.
One more.
Okay. I did it.
Put it in here, baby. Good job. Let's wash hands. One cup of water. There we go. Half a cup of oil. There you go, buddy.
And now to stir this.
Stir it all up.
I was trying to get ice around this Look.
Keep stirring.
It's made a birthday cake.
Keep stirring it, buddy.
But it's made a birthday cake.
Are you so excited?
Yeah. But look. It's
Keep
it.
stirring.
I did it.
Oh my goodness, you're so smart.
But look. I did it.
Wow, it's all mixed up. Now we're going to take some butter spray and we're going to spray the teddy bears.
Your birthday hat. Reach out to making.
Okay.
Okay.
What are we going to do now, Joshy?
On the oven.
Put it in the oven?
Yeah.
All right, open it up, but don't touch the inside. It's hot.
I did it.
Actually, it's not hot yet. I didn't heat it yet. Good job, Joshy.
50.
350 for 38 minutes.
It's gonna be 100.
You so excited?
Yeah.
High five.